Hello, good morning, class. How are you today? I hope everyone is doing great at home. Okay, today with me, your English teacher, Teacher Lily. Okay, we will be learning English Year 6, Unit 5. We will be focused on writing skill on page 44 and 46. We will be discussing the main idea and also the supporting details. The learning standard for this lesson are 3.2.2D and 3.1.2B. The learning objectives of these lessons are pupil will be able to identify the main and supporting details and rearrange the main idea and supporting details and rewrite them. What is the main idea of a paragraph? The main idea is a key concept of a paragraph. What is the supporting details of a paragraph? The supporting details explain the main idea by giving more details or example. Now let us look at this passage that I've taken from your textbook on page 44. How to identify main idea and supporting details from this short passage. Okay, let us read together first, okay? Kelly's castle is situated in Batu Gajah. It was built by William Kelly Smith in the 19th century. The castle was not completed because of his sudden death. Kelly's castle has a high tower and several secret tunnels. So now, we want to identify the main idea. How do you want to identify it? Okay. Let me tell you one secret, okay, class? Okay, normally the main idea is always the first sentence. Okay, the main idea always the first sentence. It is talking about something that the author want you to know. Okay, the author want to tell you about something. What is something that this author want to tell you here? Okay, you are right. The author want you to know about Kelly's castle. Okay, the author want you to know about Kelly's castle, which is situated in Batu Gajah, Perak. So, this is our main idea, okay? Okay, how about the supporting details? Okay, normally the supporting details will be the sentences after the main idea. After the first sentence, the rest of the sentences are all the supporting details. Okay, look at it. Okay, this is sentence number 2, okay? Sentence number 2. Okay, it is a supporting detail 1. It was built by William Kelly Smith in the 19th century. Supporting detail 2 is on sentence number 3. The castle was not completed because of his sudden death. And supporting detail 3 is on sentence number 4. That is the last sentence in this passage. Kelly's castle has a high tower and several secret tunnels. Do you understand now, class? The main idea is the first sentence and the rest of the sentences are the supporting details. Okay, very good, class. Okay, this is taken from your textbook on page 46. I want you to identify the main idea and the supporting details in this on this page. Okay, can you do it? Can you tell me what is the author want to tell you about? Does the author want to tell you about the camping or the unique flora and fauna? Not exactly, right? the author wants you to know about Gunung Pulai Recreational Forest too. Okay, so this is the main idea. This is the main idea. And the rest of the sentences are the supporting details for the main idea. Okay, I have written it like this. Okay, main idea. What is the sentence? Gunung Pulai Recreational Forest 2 is a popular picnic spot in Johor. Okay, supporting detail 1. There are several waterfalls with man-made pools. Supporting detail 2. It is an ideal place for camping and jungle trekking. And supporting detail 3. The forest also has a unique flora and fauna sanctuary. Okay, always remember in your mind class, the first sentence is always the main idea. Or when you see the name of something, the place or anything that the author want you to know about, it's normally have a name, okay? Like this, Gunung Pulai Recreational Forest 2. Okay, this is a name of a place. So the author want you to know about this place. So this is the main idea for this for this passage. Okay. Okay, look at this. Okay, after you write down the main idea and the supporting details, you have to form it into a sentences in a, you have to form it in a short passage. You have to write it like this, okay? Form this into a short passage. Do you understand, my class? Okay, let us rewind back. Okay, the main idea, you write it like this first. Idea, main idea, supporting detail 1, 2, and 3, and the sentence. After you write the sentences here, you form it into a short passage like this. Do you understand, class? Very good. Now, let us see last slide. Okay, this is your exercise for today. It is on your textbook, page 46. Find the main idea and supporting details and rewrite them in a paragraph. Okay. Here, it is not the first sentence. Okay. Okay, because you have to find what is the author want to tell you about here. Okay, if you look at the first sentence here, its main attraction is the 45-minute cultural performance of songs, dance, and entertainment. Is there any place, any name, or anything that the author want to tell you in here? No. Yes, no. So you have to find the name of something that the author want you to know. Can you find it? Very good, class. Yes, it is a Sarawak cultural village. The author wants you to know about Sarawak Cultural Village that is located in Kuching, Sarawak. After you write the main idea, you have to write the supporting details. There are 4 supporting details. There is no right or wrong in these sentences. You have to write it after you have to write the supporting details after you write the main idea. Okay, do you understand, class? Okay, before we finish our lesson for today, I want you to write this exercise inside your writing book. After you finish, you snap the picture of your work and send it to me personally. If you do not understand, you can always ask me personally in my WhatsApp. Okay, class? Okay, so I guess that is all for today. I will see you again later. Meanwhile, do your homework and always stay safe wherever you are. Thank you, class. See you soon. Bye.